Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn a very good feature of JavaScript to search a value within an array. We call it array include. So before the ES7 version of JavaScript, we have to use the index of function to find out the value available in array or not. Just take a look. We have an array here, fruit, and we have some value in an array. We have a one value that we want to find in a fruit. So we can find if like this, and I say fruit dot index of, then I say favorite fruit like this is not equal to or not equal to -1 like this. We say return true. You can say console dot log, you can say true or found, whatever we say, and else we say console dot log and I say false. So I save it and I run it, and you see it is returned true because the banana is available in this. If I say something else, I say we can say maybe XYZ, something, any other fruit, grapes is also there. We can say mango like this, and I find out this and it return false. So this much of code we have to write in the previous JavaScript or a normal JavaScript, but same kind of thing we can achieve by using a new method is called includes. So we say console dot log, and here I say fruits dot includes like this, and I find out the favorite fruit like this, and you see if I run it, it will run false. If I again put here the banana, same thing, and I run it, and you see it returned true. So just by a single line of function includes, and we put the value here, this include function find out the value within this array and return true if the value found in array. So this is introduced in ES7 version, means JavaScript ES7 version, and this much we can do in any version, any 6 version, 4, 5 version. We can find out this also. This is the older one and this is the new one. So we can use include also to find out the value in an array. Thank you for watching my video.